Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to copy a page to another site on Wix. This is incredibly useful when you've designed a page you love and want to use it across multiple websites without having to rebuild everything from scratch. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look over to the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From here, go ahead and click on Website. This will take you to the specific site you're working with. Now you'll be able to preview the website settings and see an overview of your current site. Take a moment to make sure that this is the website you wish to copy a page from. It's important to double-check this before proceeding, especially if you manage multiple sites under your account. From this page, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. This button is typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on it to move forward with the editing process. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens and where you can make changes to your site's design and structure. From here, look for the Pages and Menu button located on the left navigation panel of your screen and click on it. This section controls all the pages within your current website. You'll be presented with a list of all the pages you have in your website. Now locate the specific website page you wish to copy and hover your cursor over it. You'll notice a three-dot icon appear, which is the More Actions button. Click on it to open the page settings. Under the page settings, locate the copy option and click on it. This action copies the entire page to your clipboard, ready to be pasted elsewhere. Now it's time to head over to the website where you wish to add this page. Open that site in your Wix editor and under the new website, click on the Pages and Menu button again to access the page list. Once you're viewing the page list, simply right-click on the outer part of the page list area. You'll see two options appear. Either paste or paste and apply site theme. The first option will paste the page exactly as it was, while the second will automatically adjust the page to match the design theme of your new site. Choose whichever option suits your website best from the two available. And there you have it. You've successfully copied a page from one Wix site to another, saving yourself time and effort while maintaining design consistency across your projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.